I built a business helping brands grow with video, but my own content is falling flat. Yeah, that's no good. For years, I've put client work first. And I've told myself I'm too busy, but if I'm being honest, it's not just about time, it's fear. Because if I actually put in the effort and it still doesn't work, then what? Would that mean I'm a failure?
Oh, great. My mic isn't on.
Even worse, I'd be failing in public. So instead, I've distracted myself with work that's honestly not even moving the needle. Planning, strategizing, over and over and over and over. New Google Docs, dry erase boards with new master plans, convincing myself that I finally found whatever was missing before. That this new idea, this new strategy is the one. But if I'm not creating, if I'm not showing up, it never even has the chance to work. I realize there is no perfect strategy. There's no ideal roadmap, no validation waiting for me before I even begin. All that matters is the execution. And if you've been waiting for the right moment to start, let's do this together.